Invite na sa mo to visit the World Travel Expo happening now at Ayala Center, Cebu. This is your chance to get awesome deals from different hotels, resort, and travel agency. Grab this opportunity kay grabe yun kadako ang mga discounts. Dere karon, and this is happening today until Sunday lang niya from August 15 to 17. O atong i-check ang mga deals nga naa dere. Let's go! So guys, I have here usa sa pinakanindot nga island resort here in Cebu. So mo ni ang Badyan Island Wellness Resort. Miss, unsay special offers na to?
So we do have special rate which is only given po until Sunday lang po siya. And we have 4 types of rooms which is yung junior suite, family suite, pageant suite, and pool villa.
So from 22,000 karon gay tag 8,000 lang only until Sunday. So Miss, unsay special offer sa Anjo as for this travel expo?
Our special offer, sir, is nami 5+1. You get 5 tickets, you get 1 free. Nasad may 8+2, and then nasad may 10+3. Makasave na mo diri. Kaya mahulog siya nga 600 plus per head na lang instead of our regular rate na 800.
And this is only until Sunday lang for this expo?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Alright. So guys, this is Wow Travel, no? And I have here Miss Chris. Kay nakita ko silang mga packages so, sa mga out of Cebu ha. So Thailand, Japan, Korea. So Miss, unsa na yung mga inclusions? Ana, example, Taiwan, tag $488 or around 25,000. So unsa inclusion niya?
All in na siya, sir.
All in?
Yes, including na siya airline.
Airline? Wow!
Yes.
Airline?
Yes, sir.
As in? What?
Then hotel accommodations na mga 3 to 4 stars. Then meals, sir, breakfast, lunch, dinners. Then tours, entrance fees.
Guys, na-amaze ko. Appeal day ang airline na ng 488 nila. Freaking barato. Anyways, guys, daghan sila line package. So, sa ni participatory is the Lime Resort. So, they have 3 properties, Miss, no?
We have Lime Manila,
Lime Manila,
Boracay, El Nido. Actually, sir, we have Isla Amara as well. Angla and Panorama po.
So the best thing is, ang usa sa pinakaganahan ako nilang resort is the El Nido, which we happen to stay, no? And karon kay naka-discount, gid siya. How much is per night, Miss?
Yes, from 7,020, we're now offering it at 5,000 pesos. Open-dated voucher nun siya, sir. Good for 1 year.
All-inclusive?
Yes, with
free
breakfast po. Airport transfer po kasama na din.
So guys, if you're looking for a Swiss-style nga resort here in Mactan, we have Movenpick Me.
So you can purchase as low as 6,988 for our standard room, which is the deluxe atrium, good for 2 adult and 1 kid. Unlimited access to the beach and to the pool, and also access to our daily chocolate hour.
So we have our special room rate. So this room rate is available until Sunday only.
So exclusive until Sunday lang.
Yes, 60% off.
60%
Yes.
off. Alright, so katong gistayhan na mo bago ha, 60% off sila mo nilang rates as of the moment. Dili gyud mapugnan ang pagdagsa sa mga tao to spot special offers. Daghan jud kay mo kapilian diri. Maong kolore na ang inyong mga plano nga laag og staycations kay limited offer ra gyud ni.